How to factory reset Sonos Boost.
Simply unplug the power cable, which is this little guy, then press and hold the infinite button, which is the only button on the device. Now keep holding the button and reconnect the Sonos Boost to the power. Keep holding the button until you see the light on front starting blinking. Now wait a minute and your Sonos Boost will be factory reset.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!